The appeals court has found Workers' Party Chair Sylvia Lim and former leader Low Thia Khiang liable for negligence in Aljunied-Hougang Town Council payments process, but it cleared the party's Secretary-General Pritam Singh. The long-standing case that has spanned almost a decade involves the alleged misuse of funds worth more than $33 million by WP leaders and town councillors at the time. Tan Si-hui explains the findings.
4 years ago, a trial judge ruled that Ms. Sylvia Lim and Mr. Low Thia Khiang breached fiduciary duties. But the Court of Appeal reversed several of the findings and found that the WP town councillors acted in good faith in awarding the various contracts on behalf of AHTC. They were, however, found to have been grossly negligent in implementing the payments process. This led to what is being described as persistent control failures in the system. These failures stemmed from the involvement of conflicted parties and the absence of safeguards, which created an inherent risk of overpayment. The 5-judge appeals panel led by Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon also found Managing Agent Director Hao Wing Fun and her late husband Danny Low liable for negligence in permitting these control failures to exist. Ms. Lim was also found liable to Sengkang Town Council for negligence in causing AHTC to award a new contract to Red Power Electrical Engineering. She had failed to prove that she acted in good faith by not renewing existing contracts at cheaper rates. On top of these findings, the court stated that town councillors and employees were also liable to Sengkang Town Council for allowing control failures to exist. But the court's position was different towards Mr. Pritam Singh. It cleared him and 2 councillors, Chua Zhi-hon and Kenneth Fu. That's because lawyers representing AHTC in the suit did not make any claim against them over the control failures. AHTC also did not cross-examine or put its cases to the town councillors and employees. The judges said it would unduly prejudice them for the court to now find them liable for breach of duty in permitting the control failures to exist. Meanwhile, the latest findings would mean that the WP leaders embroiled in the trial, Ms. Lim and Mr. Lau, might have to pay damages. The quantum will likely be determined only after further trial hearings.